Hi. When you're restoring antique furniture and old things, see nice chisels like those. Just keep them out the way, because when you're digging holes in old animal glue and there are nails and things, it'll save you getting a little bit annoyed. I've got to say, the weird thing about this is the mashup of shavings and animal glue that's in the bottom of here is just, it's just not providing any strength. You can hear it all crispy and crunchy, but it's just like it was filling a void, but not in a very good way. And this pine is so soft. Anyhow, there's a couple of them done now. Oak in there, oak in there. I've managed to slip some little beech slithers down the side of that one as well. And it'll have an oak pad over it, so that will be supporting the three. The oak pad will be supporting the pine and the oak strips around the mouldings. So structurally it's going to be much better. And this will just get routed off down to the same depth. And that one. And this one. And that one I won't bother because it's already broken off. So, and I've got these curves. These are already set up to show me where the centre is of each leg, so I can come to there, and that shows me where the centre is. So yeah, that's not just set up, it's actually put on there on the paperwork so that I can work out, I can reproduce it if that gets messed up. Anyhow, crack on.